Thank you very much. Dear comrades, dear veterans, I would like to congratulate you on this great and significant event, the 80th anniversary of the Moscow Institute of Thermal Engineering. Yuri Semyonovich has just given a detailed introduction to the history of the creation of this institute, your institute, and told us about the stages of its development. Indeed, in May 1946, a year after the Great Victory, a year after the most difficult tests of the Great Patriotic War, the Institute was created and became one of the symbols of the country's revival after all the seemingly unbearable losses. The new breakthrough became a symbol of the new breakthrough in the strengthening of its scientific, industrial, and defense potential. It was the birthplace of advanced, truly revolutionary missile technologies that turned the entire history of the 20th century without any exaggeration. A reliable nuclear shield of the motherland was forged. Jointly with specialists from other defense organizations and enterprises, the Institute was continuously and intensively working on the results that determined the future of our people. On this day, I would like to express my special gratitude to the veterans, to all those who worked at the Institute in the 1940s, 1950s, 1960s, and the following years. Thank you very much. As I have already told you, we have just examined the museum's exhibitions. They tell about the main stages of the creation of unique weapons. They clearly show how difficult the first steps were in becoming a new industry. How many non-standard engineering and design tasks had to be solved in a short period of time, in conditions of intense geopolitical confrontation and technological competition. Thanks to the heroic, selfless work of several generations of the Institute's employees, a sovereign school of missile systems was formed, which made an invaluable contribution to the strengthening of the defense of our motherland. A powerful technological and manufacturing facility was built for decades to come. We still use everything that has been developed over these decades. Some samples are still in service, as Yuri Semyonovich said. I did not know this myself. As he said, applications come every year. We ask them to be prolonged. It is amazing, but it is a fact. Today, your institute is the leading domestic developer of solid-fuel missile and nuclear systems based on land and sea. It was the Institute's specialists, in cooperation with other defense enterprises, who created and deployed the world-famous strategic missile systems. Topol-M, Yars, Bulava 30 are now part of Russia's nuclear triad. I would like to note that the mobile systems you have created with ballistic non-nuclear missiles are also in service. They were effectively used in combat during special military operations. We will continue to modernize and develop strategic nuclear forces to create missile systems with enhanced combat capabilities, capable of overcoming all modern and future missile defense systems. I would like to note that you are taking the most active part in solving these vitally important tasks. You are developing several promising experimental and design topics at once. You deserve serious attention for the implementation of a number of projects aimed at the production of civilian products, in particular for the oil-producing industry, the transport industry, and so on. Today, you have formed a modern scientific and production base. You have a well-coordinated team. You are implementing programs to support young and talented specialists, and you are developing a system of mentorship. I would like to thank Yuri Solomonov, the general designer, and the entire team at the Institute for their many years of effective work and for the achievements that are very important and significant for our country. Yuri Solomonov, thank you. There are many tasks ahead. I count on you, dear friends, on your experience, professionalism, and loyalty to your motherland. I wish you new successes for the good of Russia. And once again, I congratulate all the workers and veterans on their anniversaries.
Рад возможности вас поздравить и вручить коллективу Московского института теплотехники орден за доблестный труд. Спасибо большое.
Указом президента Российской Федерации за большой вклад в укрепление оборонного потенциала Российской Федерации и достигнутые трудовые успехи орденом за доблестный труд награжден коллектив акционерного общества корпорация Московский институт теплотехники. Орден вручается первому заместителю генерального директора, генеральному конструктору корпорации Соломонову Юрию Семеновичу.
I am glad to have the opportunity to congratulate you and to award the Moscow Institute of Thermal Engineering the Order for Valuable Work. Thank you very much. I would like to thank Yuri Solomonov, the general designer of the corporation. Dear friends, colleagues, comrades, I address you in this way because we have kept this address in the army. And as a matter of fact, the specialists of your profile are not much different from those who serve their motherland. Yuri Solomonov said that the path is ours, and in this sense I do not separate myself from you from such teams as yours. And I am not covered with roses. Why? Roses with thorns are true, and we need to be able to bypass thorns, enjoy the buds of these roses, and move forward and achieve the result we need in the name of Russia. Thank you. Happy anniversary. Congratulations. Thank you.